Hey everyone, it's Sammy with the Gliffy team at Perforce Software. I am here with a quick tip to make sure your team never references outdated information. That is with our embedded diagram feature. So here I have a org chart for Green Widget Corporation, and I'm going to go ahead and add that same diagram on a different page. /Gliffy as always to add your diagram, and then I'm going to click search for a diagram, and here's that org chart. I can click link to original diagram right here, and this changes that button from use as a template to insert diagram. Other pro tip, bonus, if you want to use a recent diagram as a template, uncheck this box. But I want this linked to that original version, so I am clicking link to original diagram and inserting it. That adds it here on the page for me. I will update this page, and it loads up, and then over here, if I go and edit this diagram, and I'm just going to make a really basic, obvious change for the purposes of this. Let's say I need this to be dark purple. Ooh, I really don't like that color. We're going to go light purple. I will save it. And when we go back to Confluence, that change will be reflected here. It will also be reflected over here when we refresh the page where we've embedded that diagram. Purple. So this is awesome if you have diagrams of key processes or structures that you need to put in multiple places. Use this embedded diagram functionality so that your team never accidentally references older information. This will keep everyone and everything really easily up to date. We all know the best documentation is up-to-date documentation. So enjoy this tip and let me know what you think. Happy diagramming.